The Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland is one of the most fascinating characters created by Lewis Carroll. At first glance, he seems eccentric, strange, and even confusing, always drinking tea, talking in riddles, and living in a world that doesn't follow logic. But if we look deeper, he represents something meaningful for our lives. The Mad Hatter teaches us about embracing our uniqueness. In a world that often asks us to fit in, he reminds us that being different is not madness, it is creativity, imagination, and freedom. His way of thinking outside the box shows us that there is no single normal way to live. Another lesson is his famous tea party, which never ends. It reflects how sometimes we get stuck in repetitive routines. The Hatter's world encourages us to pause and ask, am I living with joy or just repeating habits without meaning? In our own lives, the Mad Hatter can be seen as a reminder to celebrate our quirks, question the rules, and bring a little playfulness into our everyday moments. Just like Alice had to navigate his curious conversation, we too face people and situations that don't always make sense. Instead of frustration, the Hatter inspires us to respond with curiosity and imagination. So, when we look at him, he is not just a whimsical character from a story, he is a mirror showing us that it is okay to be different, to laugh at life's seriousness, and to create our own kind of magic. As artists, we are perhaps closer to the Mad Hatter than anyone else. Like him, we see the world differently through colors, lines, and imagination that don't always follow rules. The Hatter reminds us that our so called madness is really the heart of creativity, the courage to see beauty where others see ordinary. And now, I would love to hear from you. As an artist or a dreamer, what lesson do you carry from the Mad Hatter in your own life? Share it with me in the comments because your reflections are part of this creative journey too. My dear art lovers, this is our little corner of wonder. Let's meet here again. Until then, happy drawing, enjoy the process. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel How to Draw Step by Step. Thank you.